Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Command Blocks Basics. This is episode 3, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about some simple commands that you can actually just use. Okay guys, let's get into the video. We have set time. Okay, this is rather simple. It only has like three things you can do with it. The first thing is here's time set. You can actually just choose to do like anything, for example like day, night, midnight. There is the preset for that, but what if you want to do like other times? Well, you have to enter the tick right here. For example, enter 1800. It's gonna set the time to midnight because 1800 is midnight. Okay, if I change this to, I don't know, really, what, 1000? Really, it's set to 0, okay? 0 is the morning. And yeah, that is east right there, and yeah, the sun's coming from that way, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's set it back to 6000, and there we go, and it's gonna come back to noon. Time add, okay, I don't think you're gonna be using this one quite often, but it's good to know, okay? So when you're adding time, you can only add ticks only, okay? 1000 ticks is an hour in game, so if I add the time by 1000 ticks, well, it's just fast forwarding the time about an hour. So if I add like 1000 ticks, yeah, the time's gonna get increased with 1000 and 1000 and 1000. Afternoon is coming the evening. Okay, so here's literally the evening. There we go. And the last one for the time here is time query. I'm just gonna get the time. Yeah, it's gonna output right here. I'm not gonna output in the chat, but anyway, the time is 6000. Okay, so we have daytime here. So we have the chart right here, okay? You have daytime. So daytime is the time of the day. For example, 0 is gonna be 6 AM, etc. It's kind of like that. So the tick of the day right now is 6000. If I set the time to 100, let's try it. 100 times gonna be the 100. Let's go to midnight. Okay, midnight. Yeah, it's gonna get 18,000 because midnight is 18,000. And there's actually another thing called day. So set today, day is 0 because as you can see, days is the number of days since we're created. So if we go into F3 right here, yeah, this is day 0, okay? So that's why I display it that way. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What about game time? It's gonna output, yeah, these things because this is time. The amount of ticks since we started the game. Doesn't matter the time. Yeah, it's gonna keep updating, you know? It doesn't matter the day. Game time is the amount of ticks after you created the world, so I guess this is around about quite some minutes, some hours, I'm not sure. But anyway, let's move on. So we have weather. It's really easy. Weather clear, it's literally what this is. Rain, it's gonna start raining, and thunder is, yeah, it's actually gonna thunder. I messed up the syntax. And yeah, if thunder, we're in thunder, yeah, it's gonna, you know, there's gonna be some lightnings, but yeah, I'm not gonna wait that long. Alright, let's move on to the last command for today. We have teleportation. Yeah, this might be a little bit confusing, but I'm gonna walk you through it, okay? So teleportation, first one is absolute. Okay, what do I mean absolute? It's not some HTML thing. Yeah, this is coordinates right here. We use absolute because this is coordinates, and yeah, if I click this, it's gonna TP me to right here because that coordinates is right here. And what about this? Relative. It's not some CSS thingy. No, it isn't. Relative coordinates. So what this thing is, okay, so this thing means like right here, and -2, which means -2 blocks from the thing. So this is at x for 69, nice. We go right here, x 67, so -2 blocks from here, right? So 2 blocks in a negative x direction. Yeah, that's what it is. So rotation. Alright, we have, yeah, the command looks a little different. This is our coordinates right here. The blue thing is the selector, and this thing we have rotation. First thing is gonna be the Y rotation. It's gonna be, yeah, I think, yeah, this one's wrong. It's gonna be Y before X. So if we click this, it's gonna TP me to here, and yeah, it's gonna be X rotation. So what you have to keep in mind is that, yeah, the rotation, they reverse. You know, Minecraft tend to invert things, or reverse things. So yeah, 180 right here. When I click it, I mean, this thing is actually facing me north. right? North. If you can see here, you're facing north, and 5 here, it's not 5 degree upwards, it's 5 degree downwards, as you can see here. Yeah, I'm facing a little bit down. If you do like 45, then you see the clear difference, yeah. What about negative 45? Well, I'm gonna be looking up. There we go. Minecraft tend to invert things. I'm not sure why though. So we have the index right here. Maybe I want to place south. You can actually just enter 0 or 360 US, 90 or negative 270. You can actually just go both ways actually. North is either plus or minus 180. That will work. East is 270 or negative 90. Okay, it's up to you, okay? Pretty much the reverse of real life, right? 0 should be at north and like just go to east like 90 and just go to south which is 180 and west should be 270. Yeah, it's all screwed up, okay? Because Minecraft devs tend to reverse things. I don't know why though. But if this one's a little more advanced, so we're facing northeast, right? If we go face north, this face east, because yeah, this is 225. 225 is between of 180 and 270, so that's why we're facing northeast. Yeah, that's pretty much it for teleportation commands. Alright guys, that is going to be it for the 3rd episode. If you guys like it, please hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorials like this, maybe some more episodes if you wanna. Anyway guys, thanks for watching us and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!